Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will share a most important and amazing update from WhatsApp. Most of the people want to use WhatsApp on their PC or laptop. So finally WhatsApp updated their features for PC or laptop users. Before going to the main topic, kindly request to you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming future updates. So no waste more time. Let's begin. You can now access WhatsApp on multiple devices. As part of the latest updates, user can continue to send and receive messages on linked devices without the primary smartphone online. Facebook on WhatsApp is now rolling out a feature that would allow users to link their account to secondary devices and continue to send and receive messages without the primary smartphone online. The feature is officially rolling out to all WhatsApp users in the most recent update of WhatsApp. On the both Android and iOS user report GSM Arena. Previously, user had to make sure that their main smartphone was still connected to the internet before they could carry a conversation on your linked web browser. When enabling this feature on your smartphone, you need to option into the feature labeled as still in beta. The report said once enabled, you will be unlinked from all devices. Before relinking to a new devices, once linked it behaves pretty much the same way, except you will be able to chat regardless of whether your main smartphone is online or not. It is added plus messages and calls are still end-to-end encrypted. Now linked devices will be able to receive and send messages up to 14 days after the main smartphone goes offline. According to the report, this might be useful if you are in a situation where you have lost your smartphone temporarily and needed to stay in touch with folks through WhatsApp, or if your smartphone runs out of battery but you are near a linked computer. However, there are limitations on iOS that doesn't allow you to delete messages or conversations threads from our linked devices. The other limitation is that you still cannot link a tablet or secondary smartphone. With this new capability, you can now use WhatsApp on your phone and up to 4 other non-phone devices simultaneously, even if your phone battery is dead. Each companion device will connect to your phone independently while maintaining the same level of privacy and security through the end-to-end encryption. Facebook had posted earlier to check out the feature on Android. Update the latest version with WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu on the top right, then tap link devices and multi-devices beta. Tap join beta to enable this feature. For iPhone, go to the WhatsApp setting and tap link devices, then tap multi-device beta and join beta to activate this feature. Visit the official website of WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, for getting more information about this update. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment me for your suggestion and your queries, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for getting the notification exciting upcoming YouTube videos. So we will meet in our next video. Goodbye.